Alright, so here's a little update. A problem that I ran into while I was adding the heated steering wheel. After I get all the wiring done, here's all the mess here. I've cut all the wires off. Trying to figure out, trying to backtrack on what I did wrong to make the airbag light come on. I figured out what it is, now it's off. But when I did all that wiring, let me unplug this. Airbag light should come on. Let me turn the car off. Back on. Okay, yeah, now it's back on. So what I found out wrong, I don't know if I did this when I was wiring it up or when I was just now disconnecting all of this wire here. But apparently I was looking underneath all this mess here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but apparently there's a blue wire. I've already added another wire to it just to find out. But I was pulling all the wires, I got it spliced onto here. This is for the heated steering wheel. I guess the power, I don't remember, I have to look back on the thing. But as I was pulling all the wires through, I noticed I see a blue wire disconnected. And I found the other end, which would be right here. So apparently I must have cut it or something. I know I had zip tie. I don't know if I put the zip tie on there too tight, it cut it or broke it off, or what happened with it. But apparently this little blue wire here, which is driver frontal stage 2 deployment, apparently that wire was cut somehow and it set off my airbag light. So the whole time I'll be driving with my airbag light on. And I tried replacing the clock spring, thinking, well, maybe I somehow messed up the clock spring upon installation, which the airbag light came on after I turned on the heated steering wheel. So I replaced the clock spring, that did not fix it. I replaced the airbag, switched it out, that did not fix it. So I know it's not the clock spring or the airbag, which I was able to return those two to get my money back on, since that was not the problem. But now, as I was, like I said, stripping all this wire back, trying to figure out where did I go wrong, like I said, I found this broken blue wire here. So I connected that to just with that little jumper wire, like you see there. I'll have it better done, not just like that, not open circuit. But let me shut the car off. And here's the connector that does your airbag stuff and your heated steering wheel. I'll go ahead and plug it back in. This wire here, like I said, just for the steering wheel. I've got these two connected now. So now if you look, the airbag light should stay off. And you see now it's not on anymore. So apparently that was my problem, which was a broken wire. So that's just a little update about my heated steering wheel. I guess I'll go ahead and put all this wire back together, because I was thinking it had to do something with this wiring, because that's the only time the airbag light came on was after I did this wiring. But that's not the case, it was just a broken wire. So that's just a little update on what was wrong with my airbag when I was adding the heated steering wheel. So thanks for watching.